alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student of first prep, we are going to solve the questions of Egyptian Knowledge Bank. We have today some MCQ questions or multiple choice questions. We have the title acids and bases. Okay, it is the second part of questions on lesson 3. Let's start. Question 1 says that consider the following chemical formulas of some common acids. What element do all of these acids have in common? Okay, we have name of acids and chemical formula below them. We have the name of acid, hydrochloric acid, and its chemical formula HCl, sulfuric acid and its formula H2SO4, nitric acid, its formula HNO3, carbonic acid H2CO3, phosphoric acid H3BO4. Okay, what is the common that between all of these? We said in the previous video that all acid starts with hydrogen ion. Okay, so common between them that the hydrogen atom or hydrogen ion that coming in between all of acids, and we have in common that all the chemical formula of acid starts with hydrogen atom or hydrogen ion as when make a bond between them. Okay, let's going to question 2. Question 2 says that when acids dissociate in water, means dissolves in water, which ion is product? Okay, we want to get the product from it. We have the radical group of the compound and the main that starts with forming the acid will be the hydrogen ion. As we said, a hydrogen ion, it's a common when dissociate when dissociate acid in water or dissolves acid in water. But when we dissolve bases or alkalis in water, that we will get what? We will get negative hydroxide ion. Okay, this is the question 2. Let's going to question 3. Okay, question 3 says that cola, lemon juice and vinegar are all sour tests. Okay, means that they are some we can't make it appreciate. Okay, so what type of substance causes sourness when present in food and drinks? Okay, what we have two tests that we have discussed. We have the sour test and bitter test. Sour test belongs to all the acids like acetic acid, like lemon juice, orange juice, all the juices that take a sour test. But we have the bitter test that belongs to all the bases that make it some we can't test it. It's very old. Okay, so we have the what present make the sourness, what would be acids, will be acid. Okay, so the right answer will be letter D. Let's going to question 4. Okay, question 4 says that you may see this hazard picture on the side of the bottle of concentrated acid. What does it mean? Okay, what does it mean? Okay, when you see it, you can't use it on your skin, or you must be careful when using it. So it will be harm to your skin, or we can say it will be corrosive. It will be corrosive, and we you can use it easily, or children can't touch or near to it. Okay, let's going to question 5. Question 5 says that you should be cautious of acid and alkali solutions even if they are diluted. You may see this hazard picture on the side of bottle of diluted acid as well as other chemicals. What does this hazard spectrum mean? Okay, what does this spectrogram mean? Okay, This spectrogram means what? Means it will be harmful for using. Okay, it will be harmful for using. You can't use it easily, or you must take care when you use it, as it will causes very harms to what, to people, especially for children, so they may cause hazard harmful. Okay, let's going to question 6. Question 6 says that during an experiment in laboratory, Amir carefully weighted out 20 grams of an alkali called sodium hydroxide and dissolves it in 200 milli of warm water. Dina takes 50 grams of sodium hydroxide from the same jar and dissolves it in 400 milli of warm water. Finally, Yara takes 5 grams sodium hydroxide from the same jar and dissolves it in 100 milli of warmer water. Which student has made the most concentrated alkali solution? Okay, when we are talking about concentrated, means the amount of substance that we dissolve in the solvent, or the solid substance that we taken to dissolve in water will be in high amount or in big amount. So we have here 20 gram from Amir, and what, and Dina 50 gram, but Yara 5 gram. So the large amount will be from what, from Dina, so it will be the most concentrated solution, so the right answer will be Dina. Okay, so the concentrated solution that take large amount 50 gram dissolves in the solvent. Neglecting the amount of solvent, we depend on just the solute or the substance that we dissolve in the solvent. Okay, it is in large amount, so we have concentrated alkali solution. We have concentrated alkali solution. Okay, let's going to question 7. Okay, question 7 says that we have names of acids and bases. Okay, we which row in the diagram shows the labels with the correct chemical formula for the name? We have hydrochloric acid, we have sulfuric acid, potassium hydroxide, and nitric acid. We wanted to get the right names for them. Hydrochloric acid, without completing, it's not the right name for it. Okay, hydrochloric acid here, row 2, we have HCl, sulfuric H2SO4, potassium hydroxide KOH, and the nitric acid HNO3. All row is right. We wanted to complete. We will not complete the others, but we have to know that all the names starting the acids starts with hydrogen ion. So we have hydrochloric acid consists of two parts, hydrogen and followed by chlorine ion. We have sulfuric acid, also starts with hydrogen, that we take the sulfate group and we make exchange for valences, that we take the divalent from sulfate and hydrogen, give one to sulfate group, and its formula will be H2SO4. Potassium hydroxide KOH, both of them are monovalent, so they will exchange one without writing them, so its chemical formula will be KOH. Nitric acid, hydrogen monovalent, and the nitrate group also is monovalent, so we will exchange one without writing, so the chemical formula will be HNO3. Okay, so the row 2 will be the right answer for this. Please study hard the names for acids, bases, salts, and oxides. You have to study them well, and remember that you have some special names for them. Okay, this is the last question of our group today. Okay, I hope you enjoy this part of question. Okay, thanks for joining. Please study hard the names for all of chemical compounds and all the chemical formula. If you have any questions or anything, you can write or communicate with us with any way of communication. Okay, study hard. goodbye and good luck.